In this video, I will explain how to set up a PostgreSQL database with pgvector and AI-based application. So let's start. First, you need to go to the Docker website, then download your version from Mac or Windows. So still I have already downloaded it. I just want to install and show you. Once you install the Docker, then you need to run the command on your terminal to install the image, the the pgvector image, basically the PostgreSQL image we need to install in the Docker machine. So here I'm installing the Postgres 17 version. So basically we are just using Docker to run the PostgreSQL Docker and it help us to create the database environment quickly without installing everything manually. So here we start the PostgreSQL connector and configure the database details like username, password, database name, and port. So once PostgreSQL is running, then we connect to database and verify that the connection is working properly. So we have here 7 records fetched. So it is basically vector embedding, and just I just want to say that vector embedding is a numerical representation of text, documents, or other data type. So they help AI system to compare meaning and simplicity. And after embedding the PG vector, we just create a table here. You can see here. So it's basically store all the vector information, embedding vector information. So this table will help us search documents based on the meaning, not just only the keyword. So in the next section, I run that. So the data is already injected, so we can run the similarity search queries using PG vectors. So you can see the similarity queries. So now I just run this without using any LLM, without sending those data to LLM. So in a RAG system, the user question is converted into embedding and compared with stored document. So when the most relevant document are then retrieved, then passed to a AI model to generate a better answer. So in the next, we'll run this using RAG. So here I'm using pre-Google API, Gemini I'm using. So that you can use, you can create a using Google Studio, you can create your own API and you can test. So this is just a basic flow. So how Docker runs the PostgreSQL, pgvector stores embedding, and similarity search help retrieve the relevant information for AI application. So if you can see here the output, what I have saved, what does me here work on. So those information I have already saved in my PG vector, so you get the relevant answer. But in the last question, if you see what is the weather in Dubai today, so it says I don't have enough information to answer that because I don't have the information I don't store in the PG vector. That's why I don't get any answer. Yeah, that's it in this video. I just created this video for the handshake with PG Vector. In the next session, I will share how we can use with more real-time application. Thank you for watching.